Hi, good morning. So the sun is just about to rise and the panel is just about to start working, right? So here I have four panels lined up. All are monocrystalline PERC solar cell, right? So they get efficiency about 22% on standard test condition. Of course, in real life you don't get that much because the temperature, as you get the high sun, but temperature also increases, right? So the panels performs poorly, at high temperature. But yeah, they're pretty good compared to polycrystalline panels, and they work on pretty much in low light as well. That's one good thing about monocrystalline panels. Like in a cloudy day, they could generate at least 20% of what it could generate on a normal full sun day. And these panels has got 25 years of warranty, so you have a peace of mind. But 25 years of performance warranty and 10 years warranty in the structure. And as you can see, they look black because they are monocrystalline. If it is polycrystalline, they will look bluish color. Because polycrystalline, the grain boundary, the light gets scattered, so it looks bluish. But in monocrystalline, it's a single crystalline, right? So there is no grain boundary at all in each panel, so they absorb most of the visible light and they look darker, right?